Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The Bear and the Rabbit. Once upon a time, in a dense forest, there lived a big bear. The bear was known for his short temper and often got angry at the smallest provocation. One day, as the bear was walking through the forest, he saw a small rabbit hopping alone. The bear, feeling bored, decided to have some fun with the rabbit. Hey, little rabbit, said the bear, why don't you come over here and play with me? I promise I won't hurt you. The rabbit, not wanting to offend the bear, hopped over to where the bear was sitting. The bear started teasing the rabbit, pulling on his ears and making fun of him. The rabbit tried to ignore the bear's behavior, but eventually he could take it no longer. Stop it, bear, said the rabbit. You're being mean to me, and I don't like it. The bear, feeling ashamed of his behavior, realized that he had hurt that rabbit's feeling. He decided to apologize to the rabbit and ask for his forgiveness. I'm sorry, little rabbit, said the bear. I didn't mean to be mean to you. I just have a bad temper and I can't control it sometimes. The rabbit, feeling sorry for the bear, decided to help him overcome his temper. Don't worry, bear, said the rabbit. I can help you control your temper. All you need is a little patience. The bear, curious about how the rabbit could help him, asked, how can you help me control my temper, little rabbit? Well, said the rabbit, whenever you feel angry or upset, take a deep breath and count to 10. It will help you calm down and think more clearly. The bear thought about what the rabbit had said and decided to give it a try. The next time he felt angry, he took a deep breath and counted to 10. To his surprise, it actually worked. He felt much calmer and was able to think more clearly about the situation. Thank you, little rabbit, said the bear. You have taught me a valuable lesson about patience. I will try my best to control my temper from now on. From that day forward, the bear made a conscious effort to control his temper and be more patient. Whenever he felt angry, he would take a deep breath and count to 10, just like the rabbit had taught him. Over time, he became more patient and was able to handle difficult situations without getting upset. The rabbit was proud of the bear for making such a positive change in his life. He knew that patience was a virtue that could benefit all aspects of life, and he was happy to have helped the bear learn that lesson. One day, as the bear and the rabbit were walking through the forest, they came across a group of animals who were arguing with each other. The bear, feeling confident in his newfound patience, decided to help them out. Hey everyone, said the bear, let's take a deep breath and calm down. We can work together to find a situation to this problem. The other animals, seeing how calm and patient the bear was, followed his lead. They took a deep breath and started working together to solve their problem. Thanks to the bear's patience and leadership, they were able to find a situation that worked for everyone. The bear and the rabbit continued to be good friends, and the bear never forgot the valuable lesson that the rabbit had taught him about patience. He knew that it was a virtue that could benefit all aspects of life, and he was grateful to have such a wise friend. So, moral of the story is patience is a virtue that can benefit all aspects of life. The bear learned this lesson with the help of a rabbit. I hope you all understood and enjoyed this story. So, thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care.